Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 20. All right, consider the function f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 20x minus 42. On the number line of your answer document, select the range of values of x for which f of x is greater than or equal to 0. All right, so it wants us to select the range, and we know that the range is the y values. So we want all y values that are greater than or equal to 0. I know this is a quadratic equation, so it's going to be a parabola. So I want to look at the graph and see what this looks like. So I'm going to go to y equals, and I'm going to graph negative 2x squared. And then I'm going to drop it down and do plus 20x. And then minus 42. And I'm going to hit graph. I just want to see what that looks like. All right, so all of these values here are below 0. So y is our f of x. This is our range. Okay, so x is our domain and y is our range. So what values are below here? You can see it kind of looks like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like it's going to be everything between 3 and 7 is above 0. But let's look at the table of values. Might give us a clearer picture. So if we go second graph, that's our table. And we can scroll down through here. Okay, and you can see at 3, it does equal 0. And if you keep going at 7, it equals 0, and then it goes negative again. So the graph and the table are giving us the same picture, that from 3 to 7, we're looking at our y values, our range. From 3 to 7, we're at 0 or higher. All right, so what we have to do is just go on the number line and indicate that from 3 to 7, and it says greater than or equal to. So when it's equal to, remember this is a solid circle. If it was just greater than, it would be an open circle. But it's going to be all values between 3 and 7. So we just have to shade that in. And those numbers are all the numbers that represent your range greater than 0. All right, so that's number 20.